Gandy Installations started back in 1957. So we're located in Langley, BC, which is just east of Vancouver, which is where most people know us. And we cover the whole area from Hope, BC to Horseshoe Bay. So I actually asked Taylor Gandy yesterday, what's the most important thing we do here at Gandy? And he said, we fix customers' problems. That's it. You know, we want to do the right thing for the customer. It's a family company. And so there's an investment that we know we're representing that family. That family's been running this business for 60 plus years. They take care of us like we're family. There's just an investment in treating our customers the same way. We were using ESC. Our technicians at one point, 5 years ago, were going out to the home and they weren't on the mobile version. They were doing paper invoices and then the office was invoicing later on. And then we moved over with ESC to the mobile version with the iPads. But when FieldEdge came along, we just saw a better opportunity to utilize it to full capacity from a sales standpoint, from installation, service. Our office loves it. The board with the colors, we very quickly can see what's a diagnostic, what's a repair versus a tune-up. The connection with QuickBooks was imperative for our bookkeeper and accountant, that live connection rather than constantly updating. It's just so streamlined and it makes it so easy to use. It's provided a very clear way for our office staff to put notes in that the technicians can see quickly when they're getting into a home. They know what needs to be done or any alerts for them. Just communicating with our customers, it's just so much easier. The call recording was sort of an added bonus that we hadn't really considered how useful that would be for training purposes, for reviewing what a customer was told when needed. We had a big power outage and we lost our phones for half a day. Every time a call came through, it still showed in FieldEdge, and we were using cell phones in the office and calling every single person back because we could see who was calling in through the software even though our phones weren't ringing. We do have technicians that have been with us over 30 plus years, so giving them an iPad and giving them software is always a bit of a risk. And FieldEdge was just such an easy software to use and manage. It was a no-brainer for us to make that switch, really. I don't know what the aha moment was, really. It was just after trying 3 different softwares, that was the one.